How's it going? It's pretty good. This is the last day of school. It's crazy. So last day of school. Woo! It's crazy. So I'm just waiting for Jason to pick me up, and then we get out of school at like 11:30 or something like that, and we're going straight to a pool party. Awesomeness. If you haven't subscribed already, that little button up there, hit the thumbs up down there.
Yes, name.
Hey,
and all of my
guess what today is?
Give a X games, guns turn you boys into
It's the last day of school.
And I smoke till I got chest pains. And you niggas know I rep my game like Jesse James. Women are possessive, and they wanna possess.
We're gonna go partying.
I've been blind so long I fell asleep. Skinny pants and some veins.
People are looking at us funny, but I don't.
Advance in advance, amen. As the
Okay, bye. So this is my friend Connor. Say hey.
Hey.
I'm not leaving, but Connor's got to go, and he just got a new sexy motorcycle. So we're gonna go check it out. It's a Kawasaki Ninja. What is it? 250cc.
We're locked in.
We're locked in.
We're locked in.
Hey guys.
Vlogging. Vlogging.
Hiya.
We just hang out with cool people, you know. You know how it is.
Indoni.
Hey, Indoni, we need the key. We're locked in. We're gonna go open the door with the key, because that's what you do with keys. You open things. Sunny Arizona. It's very sunny. Yeah. I'm gonna have to bleep you now. Oh, there it is. It's nice and white and shiny. The thing is sweet. Simple stuff. Those brakes. Things are huge. Slow you down when you're like going like 100, right?
Wanna rev it?
Yeah, dude. It's pretty sweet.
Okay, it's recording.
I don't know.
Watch that.
Hey, yeah.
Let's do this. We have to sneak Jason in. We're in live.
With your vlog?
Yeah, it is our vlog, dude. Here he is.
You should introduce Matt Jackson.
This is Matt. This is Connor. You saw him earlier. He was excited. He had the cool motorcycle.
You guys really gonna try to vlog every day?
Yes. Well, not every day, but as frequent as we can. Almost every day. All right. I love you. Bye. I'll see you in a little bit. Hey, you guys can't see us right now, so we'll just show you the screen. text messaging.
Jason.
Alright.
He said what the user told him.
Alright, see you guys.